Would you like to take one of our accessories with you today? We have this complimentary cat, which is a really nice enhancement to any party outfit. You can rest it on your shoulder. Guaranteed affection service. Well behaved, except when it's not. Added benefits, you can look like Dr. Evil as you stroke it while imperiously commanding your subjects. Yes? One? Just one? Okay. You can have this one. It's not much use to me anyway. It makes too much noise at the most inopportune times. Come. Yes, queen. This one's a little grumpy, but it's the only model we have. They all tend to be somewhere on the grumpy spectrum, but I think you'll find it makes a nice little hat as well. Can you hear that?